it's Julia the Mirror Beauty, and today I'm going to show you a super simple hack how to make your eyeliner stay on all day, even without the eyeshadow, and yes, even on oily lids. And this hack is so simple, I almost feel like it's a crime I haven't shared it before, so I'm here today to correct this. We all know that an eye primer makes the eye makeup last longer. However, if you apply the primer, it stays tacky on your lids, so you have to apply the eyeshadow, and maybe you don't have time for all these steps today, or you just don't feel like wearing eyeshadow. So what do? Let's say you've finished applying your fabulous eyeliner, no eyeshadow included, and you have oily or even moderately oily lids. So even right after applying, you can kind of see a little bit of glow on your lid. Let me show you a close-up. See, the eyelid is a little bit shiny here. You can definitely see that shine. And if you have oily eyelids, you know the struggle that after a while the eyeliner will transfer here. You will have to kind of wipe it with your fingers or blot it with a blotting paper, and it will become a mess. You will have to retouch it. And in order to avoid all that, there's a super simple solution. You need a fluffy eyeshadow brush. You can just take a big eyeshadow brush or a blending brush, and a simple loose powder. So what you do is you take this brush, it is a clean brush, you don't have any eyeshadow. You dip it in the powder, like I have a lot of powder here, I hope you can see this, yes I think you can. You dip it in the powder, there's a lot of powder on the brush, so you knock off the excess, you don't want too much of it. You knock it off well, and then you just carefully apply it to your eyelid. Right on top of the eyeliner, don't be afraid. It may leave a slight white residue when being applied, however it will go away in the maximum of 5-10 minutes. See how matte this eye became? If you're finding it helpful so far, please boop the thumbs up button. And now let's see the difference between this mattified eye and this glossy eye. This one is super matte on the eyelid, and this one is a little glowing from the natural oils. So let me do this for the second eye as well. A tiny bit of powder is enough. Don't be afraid to apply it over the eyeliner as well, unless you have a glossy eyeliner. It will take the gloss away. Then don't apply it over the eyeliner itself. And if the white residue does not go away in, let's say 10 minutes, you just take another clean blending brush and just swipe it off. Now both eyes look really matte. This way your eyeliner is going to last much longer. Mine lasts all day on super oily lids if I use good eye pencils. And if you want to know how to paint a creative ombre eyeliner, just check out this video and you might find this one interesting as well. See you there! Bye bye guys!